We have entered our final week. Your foundation is built, and your light is burning bright. But you need to know a stark reality. The moment you decide to walk consistently in the light, you become a target for the darkness. The enemy doesn't care about a sleeping Christian. He cares about a waking one. Welcome to day 22 of Faith Foundations and the start of our final block, Walking in Light. Today, we are learning how to use our listening ear to pick up the ultimate defensive tool, the shield of faith. Ephesians 6:16 tells us, "In all circumstances, take up the shield of faith, with which you can extinguish all the flaming darts of the evil one." What are these flaming darts? They are thoughts of sudden panic, lies that say you aren't good enough, whispers of doubt that make you question if God actually heard your prayers. Notice how the shield works. In ancient times, a soldier's shield was made of wood covered in thick leather. Before battle, they would soak the shield in water so that when flaming arrows hit it, the fire was instantly put out. How do you soak your shield? Through your listening ear. Romans 10:17 tells us, faith comes by hearing. Every time you hear and lock the word of Christ into your heart, you are pouring water onto your shield. When a lie hits you saying, "You're going to fail," a soaked shield deflates it with the word, "I can do all things through Christ." The shield doesn't stop the arrows from being thrown. It stops them from setting your life on fire. Your Day 22 challenge is the shield check. The next time a negative, anxious, or fearful thought pops into your head today, do not sit there and argue with it. Treat it like a flaming arrow. Immediately raise your shield by speaking a truth you have heard. If the arrow says, "You are all alone," raise the shield. "He will never leave me nor forsake me." Extinguish the fire with the spoken word of Christ before the doubt has a chance to burn your peace. Your faith is your defense, and your defense is powered by what you hear. Thank you for standing strong with me on Day 22. Tomorrow, we look at how our listening transforms into our speaking, as we discuss Day 23, Prayer as the Reflection of Heard Truth. I'm Matthew Padiachi, and this is Faith by Hearing. Soak your shield in the Word today, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Welcome to the final week, your light is burning bright, but you need to know a stark reality today. The moment you wake up, you become a target for the dark. The enemy doesn't care about a sleeping Christian. Day 20 took up your defense, you built the foundation. You're walking in the glow, but the darkness is moving, looking for a way to blow. A sleeping soul is quiet, dangerous, making shadows blur. So the enemy is aiming, pulling back the string, ready for the moment to attack the songs you sing. In all circumstances, take up the shield of faith. Extinguish every single arrow flying through the gates. Lies of sudden panic, whispers in the night, deflate them on the leather with the power of the light. The arrow's gonna fly, but the fire's gonna tire when a rock-solid shield stops your life from catching fire. Ephesians chapter 6 tells the story of the tool, an ancient wooden shield that was covered by the rule of a thick, heavy leather soaked in water deep and clear, so the flaming darts would die the second they drew near. And how do you soak it? How do you keep it wet? Through the listening ear that drives away the net. Every time you hear the word and lock it in the part, you're pouring out the water right inside your heart. It doesn't stop the arrows from being thrown your way, but it stops the fire burning down the progress of your day. When a lie hits you hard, says you're all alone above the heavy crowd. Answer back, he will never leave me nor forsake my name. Extinguish the doubt before it turns into a flame. Your faith is your defense.